Hi, Rekha.
How are you?
I'm doing good, Rekha. Rekha, I'm confused in what certification to do in Agile. I know you do a lot of these certifications. Could you please help me?
Hey, Money, you know about me. For buying a kerchief itself, I'll go to different shops, right? For the certification, there is only one person in the whole world, Money. Let me bring her. I have a good friend of mine, okay? His name is Money. Could you please introduce yourself to Money so that he'll feel confident?
Money, if I want to introduce myself, it will take 3 days. In short, I'm being called a CF Rema, Aka Certification Factory. I have done SMP, CST, GST, SST, so many things. You can refer to all the websites, you can know about me. What certification are you looking for?
Rima, I'm looking for some certification in Agile. Could you please guide me?
Oh, undoubtedly, you just have to blindly go with International Scrum Factory. That's the only place you can get these kind of certificates. I have done all my certificates there.
Oh, will I pass?
I can pass. Why can't you pass? What is this?
So, Mani, can you tell me why we should hire you for this role?
I have done lot of certifications. And in Agile, I have done all the certifications from International Scrum Factory.
Oh, International Scrum Factory?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. So, I was in two minds about whether to take you or not. But this International Scrum Factory certification, that helped me made up my mind now.
So I'm selected.
We'll let you know, Mani.
Ram, it looks like you have rejected him. But I'm curious. He had credentials. Specifically, he had the certificate as well. What happened?
So I rejected him mainly because he has done all his certifications from International Scrum Factory. That International Scrum Factory is not a great certifying authority. And there are three main reasons for it.
Okay.
The first reason, they advertise that all their certifications are $49 and you will pass. Second part is their standard. They allow n number of reattempts without paying for further money. You get 10 reattempts without paying any money.
Wow.
Yes, 10 reattempts just to make you pass. And despite that, if you fail in all the attempts, do you know what happens?
You will lose the money.
They just refund you the money.
What you're saying is, I will, no matter what, I will get the certification.
Exactly. They cannot allow you to fail. Because if they let you fail, they have to pay you back. So the whole system is designed in a way that you will guaranteely pass whether you have the knowledge or not. And it is sad to see a lot of companies reimbursing for such certificates.